Bloomberg, ask Rick Waldenberg why he's challenging President Donald Trump's tariffs at the U.S. Supreme Court, and he might mention a furry unicorn yoga ball. Waldenberg, who runs two educational toy businesses near Chicago, says the bubble plush yoga ball buddies, designed to help kids control their emotions, has been hit especially hard by Trump's fluctuating global tariffs. The bubble plush, which also comes as a penguin or puppy, was slated to be made in China. But when Trump jacked up tariff rates to 145% on imports from that country in April, Waldenberg's team scrambled to shift production to India, only to see Trump reduce the China duties and slap higher ones on India imports. The company rushed to have the goods arrive before the 50% India tariff took effect, but the shipment arrived 6 hours too late. "We paid a $50,000 penalty for that," Waldenberg said from a toy-festooned conference room in Vernon Hills, Illinois. "We're sort of like itinerant refugees in how we make our products. We go from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, and no matter what we guess, it seems like it's wrong." Waldenberg's companies, Learning Resources Incorporated and Hand2 Mind Incorporated, sued in April to invalidate the tariffs as exceeding Trump's authority. The suit is now before the Supreme Court in one of the most economically important clashes in the country's history. In arguments Wednesday, the court will consider striking down most of the tariffs Trump has imposed since taking office, potentially affecting trillions of dollars in trade. A ruling against Trump would undercut his ability to use tariffs as an all-purpose tool to wring concessions out of trading partners and could mean refunds exceeding $100 billion. More broadly, the case marks a pivotal moment as Trump asserts powers well beyond those claimed by his White House predecessors. Although the conservative-controlled Supreme Court has largely accommodated Trump this year, it's done so only through preliminary decisions. A tariff ruling favoring Trump could set a far-reaching precedent, letting presidents take unilateral actions in the name of addressing an emergency. Should the tariffs be struck down, small and mid-sized companies will be able to claim credit. The court is also considering separate cases pressed by 5 other closely held businesses and 12 states with Democratic attorneys general. Hundreds of other small companies have weighed in against the tariffs, most through the We Pay the Tariffs coalition. Nowhere to be found are the companies paying the biggest sums. Although the U.S. Chamber of Commerce opposes the tariffs, major importers like General Motors Commerce and Walmart Inc. are keeping their names off the case. "I was shocked that those with much more power and money did not step up," said Victor Schwartz, president of VOS Selections Inc., a New York-based wine importer.